Want to learn American English in just a few days? Not boring textbook stuff, real English that Americans actually use? Let's hit it hard with a 5-day attack plan to start speaking and understanding American English fast. Day 1. Speak like an American. Start with pronunciation. Americans flatten and link words. Water sounds like water. Better sounds like better. Learn the rhythm. Use apps like Elsa Speak to practice accent and flow. Day 2. Everyday conversations and slang. Textbook English? Toss it. Learn real phrases like, I'm down. Let me know. Want to grab lunch? And yes, get used to slang. Low-key, no cap. That's fire. Day 3. Listening plus culture vibes. Time to listen like a native. Watch US shows with subtitles. Learn how Americans link words together. Gonna, gotta, wanna. Notice the culture. Small talk, tipping, even sarcasm. Day 4. Speak smooth plus fix your accent. Now it's about sounding natural. Use shadowing. Repeat what native speakers say, word for word, with their tone. Fix your trouble sounds. RTH flap T. Say it. Record it. Listen back. Adjust. Day 5. Real-life challenge day. Put it all together. Today, your mission is to live in English. Have a 15-minute convo in English. Watch a US video without subtitles. Write a short story about yourself. Use 10 slang or idioms. Think in English all day. You don't need years to speak American English. You need focus, action, and the right plan. Follow this 5-day plan and start sounding more American by the weekend. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone learning English. And comment below, what's one American phrase you've learned today?